In today's video, I'm going to show you how to block orders from specific countries or regions on Shopify. This can be useful if you don't ship to certain locations or want to restrict purchases from particular areas. Start by logging into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're inside your store, look to the bottom left corner and click on Settings. From the Settings menu, select Shipping and Delivery. This section controls where you ship your products and how shipping rates are applied. Scroll down to your shipping profiles and choose the profile you want to edit. If needed, click Create New Profile to set up a separate shipping profile for specific products. Inside the shipping profile, review your shipping zones. Shipping zones determine which countries and regions can place orders that require shipping. To block a country, simply remove it from your shipping zones or avoid adding it when creating a new zone. If you're creating a new shipping zone, click Add Shipping Zone, select the countries or regions you want to serve, and leave out any locations you wish to block. After making your changes, click Done and then Save to apply the updated shipping settings. Once saved, customers from countries that are not included in your shipping zones will not be able to complete checkout for products that require shipping to those locations. That's it. You've successfully restricted shipping to selected countries on Shopify. Thanks for watching.